I'm Pete Nowaskey with Nowaskey Extreme Performance, and this is 2 Minute Tuesday. Start the timer now. All right, guys, what I'd like to talk about today is a couple of the smaller items we have available at Nowaskey.com. Small, but important. Number one, we have this awesome billet aluminum shift linkage for your Harley-Davidson bagger, both early and late model. As you can see, this linkage is built very robustly. So you're not gonna get any flex out of the rod when you're shifting. You're gonna have a nice positive shift every time. It's gonna be true when that linkage is pushing from one to the other. We have these nice ball joints, Heim joints on either end. So as you know, the stock Harley-Davidson little gingus on the tranny pops out all the time. You've seen your buddy riding around with a zip tie holding it together, right? We don't like that. This shift linkage also comes with the hardware, necessary hardware that you need to install it, including here a nylock nut on the back of that one. So this is a nice, good upgrade for your bagger. We also have, for you guys that are into all the 12-point fasteners, we have the billet aluminum valve caps that have the Nowaskey logo on top. So for your tires here, your valve stem caps, we have those in black and gold to match all the 12-point fasteners. And then we also have the 12-point seat bolts here available in gold and black with the Nowaskey logo. And these seat bolt screws also come with a Nowaskey keychain. And the cool thing about this is it is machined properly. So in an emergency, you can take your seat off or tighten this bolt up. Say your battery went dead, you need a jump start, something, whatever, right? Or I keep my registration and insurance under my seat in a plastic bag by the battery. So you can put that there. If you get pulled over, you can take your seat off. So those are some cool little items available at Nowaskey.com, and I am definitely way over on my time for 2 Minute Tuesday. However, I talked about 3 different parts. So until next week, go to Nowaskey.com, find all your performance parts today, and we'll keep you informed.